What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron, and today's quick tutorial is on adding a custom color palette to Tableau Desktop. So it's pretty easy, so we'll jump right into it. Go ahead and close this. What you want to navigate to is your Finder. We'll go to Documents, and you want to find this My Tableau repository. Give that an open, and we have this preferences.tps. What you want to do is right-click that and open that in a text editor. So I've already done that. So let's go to Sublime Text. And what you'll see is this preferences.tps. And you'll see it has this XML version and a workbook tag. What we want to do is copy preferences, Command C, I'll drop that in here. So what we did, we just added a preferences tag and a color palette tag. So I'm naming this VizTip Solid Colors. I put in my hex codes, and that's one color palette. I also want to add another color palette in there, so I'm calling this VizTip Dark Light Pairs, and I have my hex color values in there. And I will go ahead and paste this in the comments so you guys can, or in the description, you guys can easily copy and paste this into your Tableau desktop environment. So once we have that done, all we'll do is we'll go up and we'll hit File, Save. Once that's saved, let's open up Tableau Desktop. And what we'll do is we'll connect to the Samples Superstore. We'll go ahead and click Segment, and let's click Cells. Hold down your Command key, navigate over to Show Me. We'll hit the pie chart. Let's go Entire View. Click the Show Me tab to close that. Then we'll just grab Segment, drop that on Label. Also grab Cells, drop that on Label. And now, if we go to Edit Colors, select your color palette, you'll now see that we have the VizTip Solid Colors and the VizTip Dark Light Pairs. So we can give that a click. I can assign the palette, hit OK, and there you have it. Hope you enjoyed today's quick tutorial on adding custom color palettes to Tableau.